Extra Time Corner.
Welcome back. This is Extra Time on Gagasi FM, proudly brought to you by Hollywood Bet 1838. We usually hear abantu abaningi makudlalwa ama-games amakhulu babizwa nge-12 men because ilabantu abagqugquzela le-11 esuka iphakathi. And we often see ama-games ama-legends adlala wodwa, uthola ukuthi labantu kuyibona abakhipha imali zabo beyobuka labo bantu bona bahlangana nini and have fun. So namhlanje ke la kwi Extra Time siphethe okuhlukile ke kwi profile khona ke namhlanje njengoba ke sibheka thina ke vele sivula indlela abanye mase bayasilandela. We're building up ke to initiative enhle kakhulu, but mina angeke ngichaze kahle njengoba ama guest esekhona namhlanje on my just opposite. Fanele ngathi uyena uche wayo yonke le 12 men. uJason Zikalala sikubingelele ku Extra Time on Gagasi.
Ngiyakubingelela futhi Mthoko kunjani Simthoko kunjani mfethu?
Ngiyaphila wena njani?
Hayi ngishafa mfethu.
Makuthiwa 12 men sicabanga ama supporters, is this the same case?
Yes, the same case. Because these fans are the 12 men.
Yeah.
They're the 12th player. In the field of play we got 11 players. These are the 12 men.
Yeah.
That's where the name came from.
With 12 men.
12 men. That's why we started. We named the group with the 12-man group.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Mfethu, this has been a long journey.
Yeah.
Running this project without any sponsors.
Yeah.
From my own personal pocket. Running it. We had 2 launch last year that we had on the 8th of June. 8th of June last year.
Yeah.
We launched the 12-man group. On the 30th of November last year, we launched the Fans Cup trophy.
Mm-hmm.
We did a tournament of the Fans Cup tournament to honor them in South African football or in the whole world. Whoever did honor these people.
Not even one.
So I'm not going to mention any names because they never paid for the show.
Yeah.
If you look at it, who buy the ticket? Who travel to the stadiums?
Them.
It's them. Who is looking after them? Who says, let's give back to them? There's 2 big teams and giant teams in South Africa. Do they look after these people?
No.
If the Quantums collapse, people died on the way to Johannesburg. Those 2 big teams, will they bury them? Only thing, they will issue the condolences letters to their families. That's where it came from in my heart. Let me honor these people. Some of them, they are securities. Some of them, they are cleaners. Some of them, they're not even working.
Yes.
But they managed to buy their jersey of their favorite team. They buy the ticket. They pay for the transport to go to the stadium. End of the day, who comes back and honor them, said, guys, to the business of football, we say thank you. Who salutes them? In South Africa or in the whole world, nobody does that. Nobody appreciates them. So I decided as a 12th man, I call myself as a 12th man. So because of, let's have something different.
Yeah.
To honor these people, to showcase their talent. Now our slogan says, hashtag from the stands to the field, the field of play.
So kahle you trying to say ukuthi khona ukorganize le bona ama supporters.
There's something big is coming up.
Yeah. Uplaneni ngawu March lo sikwa.
March on the 22nd of March, Kings Wellington. There's a Fans Cup tournament. It's semi-finals and the finals.
Yeah.
I've spoken to the legend of KZN. I've spoken to them, but we haven't concluded a lot of things because there's a lot of things. Some of them, they are still under Mike McCabe. He's the agent.
Yeah.
We still have to look at the financial because some of them, they are not financially stable. Some of them are financially stable, are not the same. We need to look at all those angles. Then, but they're going to be part. So they're going to be part, but we still negotiation. They're still on. But the first semi-final, I'm not going to mention because it's one of those 2 teams who still negotiating with them with the trademark.
Oh, yeah.
So I cannot just say who and who, but them, they are allowed to say who they coming from, where are they from. But there is a big tournament is coming up. La team amakhulu akhona la eSouth Africa abalandeli bebhola I-tournament yoku appreciate abalandeli. Kingswell Thini 2 semi-finals will be played at 9 o'clock to the outer field on Saturday ekseni, and 12 o'clock curtain raiser game. 12 o'clock we open doing the opening ceremony at 2:30, 3 o'clock between these 4 teams that are in the semi-finals. Then they will be they're going for the final, and the stake of it's 150,000 number one prize for number one. The first prize is 150,000. The runners up it's 50,000.
Yabona labantu senizo supporta ngempela manje. Mfoka sila ake ngikubuyisele ngala. Ngikhulume ngosingabo manje ngoba sesinabile sinawe. Ngicela osingabo bangisjoyine. On my left, on my right ukhona ke uthe yena nje uyiPR oyeThekwini region. Abantu bayamazi. Konje uthe bhala ukuthini ke wena bakubiza ngobani Mfoka ngoba?
Umlengo.
Bathu inamba yakho ngizwe ngathi bazi bafake nenamba. Bathu umle 1937. Awu madoda. Kufike kanjani kunina ama supporters ukuthi nizoba yipart of such an initiative?
Mhlambe asibingelele abalaleli beKhakas. Sibingelele bonke abathandi bezemidlalo iSouth Africa yonkana. Sibingelele umzomnyama amaBhakaniya. Ezimnyama ngenkani. iSouth Africa yonke bese sibingelele abase KZN. Sibingelele abaseThekwini region amaBhakaniya aseThekwini. Le esiyenzelwe ubabuziyalala into esijabulise kakhulu ezabalandeli because uqinisile ngempela ama teams siyawalandela, siya travela cishe iSouth Africa yonke. Abanye abalandeli baze baphumela ngaphandle beyosupport ama team from their own pockets. So uma ngabe kuzoqhamuka umqondo noma umbono kanje thina izabalandeli sikujabulele kakhulu lokho noma siyakuthakasela kakhulu. Siyafisa ke ukuthi la besuke siba 12 men kubona si player number 12 because si player number 12 abadlali besuke sibasupport siyafisa nabo bafike bazosibona njengabalandeli ukuthi abalandeli bona bayibamba kanjani enkundleni.
Khona uDr Mfenqe oyena ke ophuma ngase side le Kaizer Chiefs lapha eSouth Coast region. Mdohisi ngiyamuza ukuthi iBhakaniya liyakhuluma, siyayazi rivalry between the two teams okuyinina nabo indoda emnyama le, but kunina sevelile leli thuba nama games. Obani ufuna ukuqala ngabo ilo seduze kwakho noma iBhakaniya?
Angibingelele ngibonge kakhulu ithuba, ngibingelele kakhulu kumakhosi KZN yonkana. I believe ukuthi ngalelanga le game bazobe bekhona. It so dominate stadium, I know. So ukuphendula umbuzo wakho bhuti ngikhathwe nawo sisila iduze.
Senikhathiwe vele.
Isikhathiwe nje sesobona ngomhla ka22 sizobona nje.
Kahle nizofike nidlale neSundowns ngomhla ka15.
No, ngomhla ka22 konke.
Kwi-league dlala iBhakaniya. Mese badlala neBhakaniya. Mese nodlala neKhosi ngomhla ka22. Lelo ama Sundowns hlezi ngizwa ama supporters khona le koMtuba khona kuphi mayikhuluma ngeSundowns nangendlela eniorganize ngakhona. Labantu bobabili bayanisongela ukuthi le cup njengoba nina nidominator kwi-league ngeke nitholeke le yama fans. Mhlambe ezisandawana yini enibhekile nina kule cup ke manje 12 men?
Ngibingelele ukhuluma nolelo Mkhizanda Durban branch. Mamelodi Sundowns bayashora bayadlala bayazi babonile sezidlalile nabanye sabenza njalo nakule bayazi laba baseceleni kwami nje bayakwazi lo
kodwa ka subload
into esizelela uzoncinca kakhulu abalandeli base KZN bake bakhombise abanye abalandeli bangaphandle ukuthi sikhona siKZN siyathanda ibhola even emakhaya mina ekhaya la ngiphuma khona baye bangithethiswa intombazane uyahamba ebuka ibhola egoli uyahamba embombela sesifisa ke manje basukuma abalandeli base KZN bazobona into enhle kangaka esiyenzelwe ubaba uzikalala babona ukuthi esisuke sekuhambele ikona kuyikubi kahle kahle lana angizile njengomlandeli weSundowns but ngize njengomlandeli webhola eKZN izonxenxa abalandeli bebhola la seKZN ukuthi abake baphume bayobuka ukuthi yini lesizwe siyele groundini
yabona ke namhlanje afike wonke ama supporters awekhangekho khona nawo Suthu khona nabanye abasuka kuma team abo bayo supporter lawo manye ama team ngicela sithathe nje i3 yokugcina kuma supporters from ngiyabona la sekukhona noSuthu kade ngalitholanga alisondela uSuthu iKaizer sengiyitholile so akusondele ethu ne Royal AM ayisondelayo ke uyabona ke manje yahlangana bakani badedele iRoyal AM uSuthu ibona ngaDlamini wozozozo wafaka izaza futhi manje wahlalela eceleni sifuna wena impela mfaka Dlamini. This is Extra Time on Gagasi FM sikhuluma nama fans njengoba ke nawo ka sethola ithuba lokuthi ke abe necup yabo. Angiqale ngapha kuSuthu Dlamini bengithi ngizogcina ngawe kodwa sengibona ukuthi nawe angiqale ngawe ukuze ubulungiselele enye into engifuna uyenze before ungahambi kakhulu sibongeleni ungahlehli kakhulu sibalikhulu sijwayele ukubona ujumpa estadium ugxoma ushama header nalike ithuba selifikile la nilamukele kanjani na ezoSuthu njengoba nizoba ne chance ukuthi nani ni compete kuyona icup kumhla 22
ngicela ukubingelela kuwe emsakazi ngibingelele uMr Makmakap ngibingelele nehambeli zonke sihamba nazo ngalomzuzu nesikhathi noma kubuhlungu ke mfokadlala sesiphumile ezoSuthu emabhesha nkona sekusela abanye abantu kodwa kulungile ngoba ingxenye yefootball ithi okomunye akaluze omunye awini sesiluzile ake sisupporte aseba abaqhubekayo nendlela so sibonga kakhulu okwenziwa ubaba Zikalala ukuthi asihlelele umqhudelwano njengalo sizohlonipha and siyafisa ukuthi usekwe ibona bonke abantu ukuthi sesiphumile kodwa hayi bandla uthando lwebhola lisazoqhubeka
ngoba ngiyabuka nakhona la ukuthi ama fans are up and down but abanye abazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kuma teams abo awazi noma kusasa uzovuka i-team isakhona noma uzovuka isingekho ningahleki so sikuleyo nayi iRoyal AM nayo la manje thihle thwahla ni kubheda ngala cha uthi ngala kuzolunga mase
angibingelele abalandeli bonke beGagasi FM ayinesho lapha kuzolunga ngapha sibalansile cup mhla ka23 sayiphakamisa ukuthi kubheda ngala kodwa kuzolunga ngala kunjalo lento ngoba abalandeli abazobe bese groundini
hayi ke makusho wena kulungileke Mfoka Zikalala just to wrap up nje ngicela nibe lingilungiselela ingoma Dlamini ngoba ngiyazi wena obalidayo ngicela nje uba bahlelo ubatshela mhlambe Mfoka Zikalala just to close up nje nakhona closing this conversation by siqala nini ngomhla ka22
ngomhla ka22 siqala ngo9 ekseni eKingswell ithini ama semifinal ayi2 sebeshilo ukuthi obani abadlalayo tournament abalandeli base KZN that's what we're doing as a 12-man group. We're giving back to the fans. Ngoba inhloso ukuthi siwabonela ama floods zonke izinto ezenzakile. Imali esokwazi ukuthi siyithole. Sifisa ukuthi sinikele emndenini yalabantu abashiwe ihlobo zabo nalabo abangenazo izindlu. Kodwa ke siqala ngo9 ekseni then masiqeda igame yama legend ezodlala iCurtain Raiser ngo 2:30 bese kuba iceremony bese kuba ifinal. Amathikiti atholakala icomputer ticket, general ticket it's 50 rand, VIP ticket it's 1.5. Besicela abalandeli beze bazo supporter ibhola kudlala abalandeli. Sicela ngobuningi baba abalandeli wonke ama team akhona adlalayo ku PSL angadlali sicela ukuthi beze bazo support ibhola labalandeli. Sithi nje #the_fans to the pitch.
1853 this is Extra Time on Kaka Dlamini ngikunika ithuba ke ne group yakho ukuthi niqale ingoma
nangu Mike
Mr Makab.
Yeah, we're just doing a quick count. Very happy to see that there are 3 Kaizer Chiefs supporters. But there are also 3 Orlando Pirates supporters. and I'm glad that the producer had to do that to protect me.
Yes.
By the way, on air, I'm going to say I love Kaizer Chiefs. Whatever anybody may think.
You love
okay.
Those.
I love Pirates, I love Chiefs, I love Usutu, I love Supersport, I love Sundowns. But there is absolutely no truth that I don't like Kaizer Chiefs. I do like Kaizer Chiefs.
Mr. Mahaya is here.
Yeah.
No, that's a fact. This is Mahaya. I'm supporting Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
I know that you are in business. We understand it.
Yes.
And we appreciate the work that we have done for us as Kaizer Chiefs for many years. We know that many players, they were from your company. You've been an agent for them. So take it away and focus to your job. You did a wonderful job.
Thank you, Makosi. Dlamini ngoma. Sengilindele wena Dlamini ngoma yakho la. This is Extra Time on Kakas. Sesirapper up nje namhlanje. Ashaya ingoma, ashaya ingoma.
Phela abantu. Abantu esizweni lonke uyabulala. Uye washo baba. Uye washo baba ngesalayo. Ngoba phela abantu. Ngoba phela abantu esizweni lonke uyabulala. Uye washo baba. Uye washo baba ngesalayo. Ngoba phela abantu. Phela abantu esizweni lonke uyabulala. Uye washo baba. Uye washo baba ngesalayo. Ngoba phela abantu. Phela abantu esizweni lonke uyabulala. Uye washo baba. Uye washo baba ngesalayo. Ngoba phela abantu. Phela abantu esizweni lonke uyabulala.
This is Extra Time on Kakasi FM. Amafenze kakhona ke namhlanje ke as we celebrate them ngomhla ka-22. This is Extra Time on Kakasi FM, proudly brought to you by Hollywood Bets, Aspeki Netball.